Alright, hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe Update today. You see, any YouTuber who opens up their channel, they know exactly what they can expect from any coin, be it altcoins, Bitcoin, and whatnot. You may have been surprised that this happened to Pepe, but I'm not. People who follow me are not. And my basic objective and my basic aim for the channel is to make some short videos, not to get you bored with long stories, but also within this objective, I want to make sure that when I do technical analysis, at least I can be able to tell you, all right, this is the time frame, this is the time duration. I can give you a rough estimate of when things are about to get ugly, or maybe things are about to get good, or maybe neutral, and then you as a trader have to see what happens during that date. So speaking of which, right now I want to show you this video because I made the video for you back in you see 2 days ago, and I said that 8th of June is important. Today is, I think, what the date is. Today is actually 8th of June, and it happened yesterday. 8th of June yesterday, so we're about to get into the 9th of June. So if I do show you the video.
But what we can do here is we can take the trend line and try to navigate how much of a time you're going to take for the squeeze for the squeeze to happen. So we're going to take this, we're going to take that, and I do believe that this is a solid trend line that we have right now. So I'm just going to draw it like that, and yes, you can see that this is a very perfect support line. You can see a lot of touches, and it has a nice bounce off that support line. And the next one is going to be the resistance, which you have this resistance all in all. And then from here, the maximum time is going to be until 8th of June. Today's 5, so 3 more days to go. And
all right, so that was the time estimate. And TA, I love TA. If you love the work, make sure you're following me again, because the thing is, I'm here updating about Pepe every single day, and I just want to make sure you're not missing out on anything. So I believe we did have a head and shoulder. We broke below, and right here's the technical target, right on the money. Okay, that was pretty much where Pepe had to go. Now the thing is that we still may see, maybe if Pepe still wants to go down here again, that may not surprise me, to be honest with you. But the thing is that this technical target down to 11,000, well, this is really something that could have been a very good purchase, right? This could have been a very amazing buying bid. Now the reason being is you have broken above this trend line, which you never back tested. So if you look at it, you had the resistance here, you had the resistance, you broke up, and you might actually come down and turn it into a retest. So people ask me, Adam Coins, what is the best place to buy Pepe one more time? We've seen Pepe making a all-time high of nearly 17,000, and I think that coming down to 11,000 or 10,000-ish can actually be a good place to buy again if you hold this retest right over here. So maybe if you do come down and spend a little bit of time, this can be a nice good entry. And then finally, this is where we may see a push up to 21,000, which was previously a place, which was still a technical target previously that was never met. Now, for example, if yesterday you could have broken to the upside, right? You could have do something like this, break up and go up here. That would have been awesome. Okay, this was pretty much even like a pennant, which could have broke to the upside and go up. But on the other, opinion, this also looked like left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder as well. So head and shoulders, and then came down to this technical target. So not surprised here. But then again, I'm just going to say that this is probably a best buying bid as long as you hold this resistance as support. If you just go below it and fail as a support, that's going to be a big problem. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.